If you are coming to Alaska, then you want to come to Alaska for the nature. Yeah, cheesy, I know, but it's good. It's unbelievably beautiful. It's one of those things where I think we underestimate how beautiful the world is sometimes because we're on our phones. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today I am in Alaska. So I mentioned I was going to be doing a crossing and I left from Japan to get here. I am in Wrangler, Alaska today. I put the name of the city here. I actually never been here before, but I've been to Alaska, as I was mentioning, 10 times. So this is my 10th summer in Alaska, I believe. Yes, I believe so. Yes, 10 summer in Alaska. So Alaska does hold a very special place in my heart because it's actually one of the first places that I've traveled to join a lot of other ships that I've done in the past. And I've been here with every single company that I ever worked for, cruise ship wise, even like small yacht wise. So yes, a lot of different companies. I've been here in Alaska. So yeah, it holds a special place in my heart. One of the things I want to talk about today in Alaska is that if you are coming to Alaska, then you want to come to Alaska for the nature. Yeah, cheesy, I know, but it's good. It's unbelievably beautiful. It's one of those things where I think we underestimate how beautiful the world is sometimes because we're on our phones. And I know you're watching my videos, so I appreciate it, but we're online so much that we don't really touch grass as much as we used to. And Alaska is one of those places where you come and it just changes the way you view nature in general. Like right out here, you can't hear them, but it's a bald eagle over here. It's about four other birds that were huge right behind the camera. And I seen some big spurts out there. There were whales earlier, but I don't know if a whale jumps up in this video, I mean, please like and share. But no, it was earlier coming in. There were some whales out there too. So it's just one of those things where it's just untouched. We haven't done a lot to it. It's one of the few places in America that I've been to where no matter how many times I come back again and again. It never ceases to amaze me. So yeah, today is all about Alaska and pretty much giving like an ode to my 10 trips here in Alaska. And hopefully you're planning your first trip. If not your first trip, your return trip to come back because it's just one of those magical places. Now, another thing I do like to do when I'm in Alaska is I like to hike. I genuinely do like to hike, I promise. Might not look like it, but I like to hike. But also, I really like to try to go out and fish. So if you can fish, if you like to fish, I grew up fishing. So if you can fish here, man, it's such an amazing experience. So yeah, this is just an ode to Alaska. So shout out to Alaska today. I made it on the crossing. Everybody's been following me and listening to the journey. I'm here in Alaska. I'm only here for a couple weeks, guys, and then I'm going to the Mediterranean. So I'm going to try to do more outdoor videos as much as I can on the Saturdays because these are the videos I don't batch as much as my other ones. So I can give you more up-to-date things that's going on. So this is behind the scenes, right? So I want to give you a little behind the scenes. Speaking of behind the scenes, another thing here in Alaska, which is great, is that you can pretty much go on a lot of the tours with the cruise ships or by yourself, but there's so many different museums. There's so many different things to do. We have jet skis here in Alaska. Like it's different than what you think. And it's not as cold as you think. I'm actually have my coat on now because it's the beginning of the season. So beginning of the season for Alaska starts from May and it ends around September. May and September, those are the beginning and the end of the season. There's going to be the worst weather day to day, generally, not all the time. But then in that between time, you're here in July, early August. Oh boy, like I'll be wearing shorts. I would have a shorts on right now and I would be just out. And honestly, not even being funny, I had my jacket zipped up earlier. I unzipped it because I got hot. I was sweating. It's only a 10-minute walk from here from my ship to here, and I started sweating. So the wind is what really gets you. And then if it starts to rain, but other than that, it's not as cold as you might think it is. And we're always here in the summertime. People don't travel to Alaska in the wintertime. They come in the summertime. So, also sun's coming out. So yeah, that's how it is. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. I hope that you've been enjoying the content. I'm in Alaska, so next couple of videos is gonna be Alaska, and then we're off to the Med. Peace.
Cooking your way.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.